Hey everybody, I'm in Utah in Fishlake National Forest, and I'm going to guide you through a gentle stretch after your workout or whenever you need it. First, we're going to do our neck tilted to one side. Concentrate on bringing the opposite shoulder down. Always a bend in our knees, core still tight. You can add your hand if you want a little more of a stretch. This feels good. Should feel good. If you feel pain, stop. Always. Now going in the other direction. So we're trying to hold the stretch, since our muscles are warm, for at least 20 seconds. Don't time me because I don't have a timer. I'm just guesstimating. Okay. And release. Next, we're going to have our hands face up, and we're going to stretch our chest. So bring your arms back, squeezing those shoulder blades together. And hold it here for 20 seconds, opening up the chest muscles. And release. Whew. Now we're going to stretch out our spine. Hips are going to be facing forward, and we're just going to bend to one side. Heard some cracking. Tendency to close my eyes when I stretch, and that really challenges your balance when you're on the rebounder. And release, and to the other side. I have my sunglasses on because it's very bright out here. Keeping that spine straight. We're not leaning forward or leaning back. It's neutral, and engaging that spine. Okay, we're just going to stretch out our calves. Just bending the knee, coming forward, and really feeling that stretch in your calves. I'm still not level. So the hazards of doing rebounding in a national forest. Okay, and the other side. Whoa, I think I need a stability bar for this. Here we go. I don't know if you can see Ron. I'm still not level. I don't know if you can see Ron, but he is dirty digging. Whew. Now we're gonna carefully come off of our rebounder. We're going to sit down at the edge of it and gently roll back vertebrae by vertebrae. Whoop, take as much time as you need. You can put our legs on the frame. Depending on how big your frame is, you might have more room than what I have. You can put a towel behind your head. I just try to put my head in between the bungees. And we're going to put one leg, bend one leg over, and engage underneath. And pull forward. And you can really feel this in your hamstrings, in your glutes. Just pull however you're comfortable. If you just want to keep it here, that's fine too. Concentrate on pressing your knee forward, and you can really feel that stretch. We're switching to the other side, pulling forward. Wow, I'm really tight. Oh, I feel like I'm sunbathing at the beach. The sun is bright in my eyes, but I wanted to get this done before I went on the road. And release. Next, we're going to do another spine stretch, and I love this one. Just grab your legs, stretch your spine. You can rock back and forth if that feels good. And release. Now we're going to come over on our sides. Make sure your head is comfortable. You can have a pillow, a blanket, a little towel. And we're just going to grab one foot and gently push back, stretching out our hamstrings. And to the other side. I'm going to turn all the way around so you can see me, but you can just flip over to the other side and the same thing. Now I have a smaller rebounder. My rebounder is 40 inches. We have a little more space. It makes this easier. And release. Okay. Gently roll up. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next workout.